Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin with clean, damp hair so strands hold shape. Apply a pea-size amount of cream to reduce flyaways. Once damp hair is smoothed, split the front into 3 narrow sections and secure the rest out of the way. Make sure the top 2 inches are anchored with a tiny elastic or bobby pin to create structure. This gives you a firm starting point. Now position your hands, thumb and 2 fingers on each section, ready to feed hair under and over. Start the first cross carefully and keep tension steady. Once the base is secure, continue by adding tiny, controlled amounts of hair, about 1/2 inch into each pass. This is the key for short lengths. You want to compress each crossover with your fingers so the braid stays compact and captures short ends. Make sure to angle the feed slightly downward so hair tucks in rather than sticks out. As you work, alternate grips to keep even tension. Pause to smooth stray pieces with your free hand, then resume. Consistency beats speed here. Move deliberately. To finish, compress the last few passes tightly and secure with a small elastic. If the elastic shows, tuck a short strand or pin it underneath for a cleaner look. Once secured, mist lightly with hairspray and smooth any remaining flyaways with a dab of cream on your fingertips so nothing pokes out. If pieces escape, do not panic. Gently loosen the nearby section, refeed the short pieces into the braid, then red-iton. If persistent micro ends protrude, trim them carefully as the final resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.